Making the world a better place is no easy task. There is so much to do to meet the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, and so much to learn to do it successfully. It can very easily overwhelm the most enthusiastic changemakers. While training can be a great solution, unfortunately, a lot of training in the world leaves people disappointed, overloaded with information and without a clear direction forward. Some people call this death by PowerPoint. At UNITAR, we do things differently. It is our mission to empower participants to create change. We do this by actively engaging them in their own learning, fostering meaningful connections, and generating creative solutions. As a result, participants leave our trainings with a clear plan and commitment to action. How do we do this? Behind the scenes, our learning solutions experts work like a creative lab, designing and creating transformative events. We first look at the real-world needs, and we envision the change we'd like to contribute to. Then, using our diverse toolbox, we design a combination of methods, tools and techniques to create powerful learning experiences. To make the learning environment effective and engaging, we like to add reflection, playfulness and collaboration to the mixture. However, learning does not stop at the end of a training. This is why we invest in fostering learning communities and thus enabling long-term learning and the impactful application of what has been learned. Our Learning Solutions team is constantly learning and evolving. We continuously evaluate and adapt to keep up with the demands of our complex world. The world can be better, and you can be the change you want to see. Can we help you to make sustainable development real? We would love to collaborate with you. Get in touch